Welcome to the video featuring the Acer Aspire Gaming Laptop, the ultimate machine powered by the Intel Core 5 processor. This laptop is driven by the powerful Intel Core 5-210H processor. Designed for heavy tasks, it starts at 2.2 GHz and can reach speeds up to 4.8 GHz. For stunning visuals, it includes a 6 GB NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU with GDDR6 video memory, ensuring smooth and lifelike gaming performance. The 15.6-inch screen delivers bright, vivid colors with its FHD resolution and IPS technology, complemented by a 144 Hz refresh rate for fluid motion. Speedy performance continues with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, upgradable to 32 GB, and 512 GB of storage, which can be expanded up to 1 TB. The full-size keyboard features customizable multicolor lighting and a numeric pad. It also includes a responsive click pad and stereo speakers for crisp audio. Stay connected with high-speed Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. The laptop also offers versatile connectivity, including an HDMI port and multiple USB ports for your peripherals. The portable flame black chassis houses a 54 watt-hours battery, providing up to 7 hours of power, all in a light design weighing just 1.99 kilograms. Experience a modern workflow with Windows 11 Home running natively on this 64-bit system, and enjoy the inclusion of Microsoft Office right out of the box. Take advantage of special savings today. You can get this laptop for the special price of 109,990 rupees, down from the regular 129,990, with a 1-year warranty included. With its capable processor, powerful GPU, and upgradable memory and storage, the Acer Aspire Gaming Laptop is ready for your next session. Purchase yours now.